So I got the new lock knuckles turn up from AU House, so it's time to get the BA up to Benny Biggs's and install them with Simon.
It's going.
Simon, give us a rundown what you've done.
The AU House lock kit. I can't remember what it's called, but we put one of them in.
The knuckle?
The knuckle, is it Longhorn or some shit?
Longhorn.
Buckhorn.
Don't know about a Longhorn, but yeah, no, the drift knuckle. Yep.
We put that in, and then we put a tire extended rack end on the other side.
The spacers. Oh, the longer one on the other side.
Yes,
yeah, sorry.
And then I'm the mechanic, mate.
Yeah.
And then on this side, because the rack's offset to one side, they put a longer rack end on that side, but on this side you just need two little washers. Apparently that's how you gotta do it. And what else did we do? I put extended wheels. We'll just put bolt-on wheel spacers on.
Yep.
Apparently that's what you need. And that's it. And then you got more lock. I'm about to put the wheel on, and then do a rough sort of wheel alignment. And it moves a mile more than it used to.
And then with the right tools, how long have you been on this for?
2 hours.
2 hours with the right tools.
Yeah, about that.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
I just for in the shower, ready?
Yep. Baby lock, do 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 do. Baby lock, do 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 do.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Daddy lock, do 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 do. Daddy lock, do 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 do. All right, what are you doing now?
I also put a new lower ball joint in either side because it was rooted. That's why it took so long.
Awesome.
Otherwise,
Yeah,
I'll get a
that's
complete.
That's amazing. Yep.
We'll get a complete.
Awesome.
Turn it off.
Are we doing this wheel alignment? What are you doing?
Yeah. So glad Shane's picked up.
Do a burnout.
Do burnout, Simon! Simon! Simon, do burnout!
Do a big one?